Introduction to HP Accessory Center. HP Accessory Center, or HPAC for short, is an app that allows you to manage and customize the functions of HP accessories such as an HP mouse, keyboard, or webcam. Through customization, you can tailor your HP accessory to your needs and configure it to streamline your day-to-day use. If you purchase an HP accessory and connect it for the first time, there are two different ways that you can obtain HPAC depending on your computer type. For Windows computers, HPAC will download automatically. You can check on the download by going to the Microsoft Store and looking under Downloads and Updates. For Mac computers, HPAC will not automatically download, but you can search for and download it from the Apple Store. Once HPAC has been successfully installed, a series of tutorial animations play for your specific device. After the tutorial screens are completed, you can explore all the features and functions available from the product configuration page. HPAC also updates automatically once new software versions are released. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.